Yo, what's going on, Guard Chasers? It's your boy John and that boy David. We're here bringing you another episode of Jon Boat Chronicles. We're out here again at the beautiful Benton Lake. We're gonna see if we can't catch ourselves a gar, right?
Go get it done.
Get it done.
Go get it done today.
Especially after last week. We lost 2 gar. We need our redemption.
Hell yeah.
We got a bunch of tilapias again. We got a bunch of shiner, some shad, a cooler full of drinks, and
Get y'all some badass fish today.
hell yeah. So we get some shit, man. We'll go ahead and dock the boat into the water, and we'll check in with you guys. See y'all soon. Alrighty guys, we're out on the water already, as y'all can see. Paddling our ways over. I'm gonna real quick, I'm gonna tie up a little lure, because there's a lot of bass that pop around here, guys, but we don't want to miss out on anything, you know. David's already casting his out, the little whopper popper.
Oh yeah, bro, if that don't get crushed.
On my random box of assortments here, I need to get
Heading the right way.
Mm-hmm.
Going that way, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm just getting this set up here, guys. You can see it's this little the $1 Walmart lure.
Spinner?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what it is, y'all. I could never really get it done with the spinner. This nigga John, for some reason, always catches them on it. I don't know what it is.
I'll check out this combo. Look at this combo, David.
Oh, look at that, spicy.
Everything I'm bound, that's bound to get. Huh?
That purple cross.
Yeah.
What did you get purple cross?
Remember like 2 years ago when you bought me those mystery tackle boxes?
Z-Man, huh?
Hell yeah. Nah, they're not Z-Mans. They're a different brand. They're like a tournament series brand. I'll show you the picture of it right now. I took a picture.
See, they're perfect for that fucking spinner. I was thinking, bro, a jig here might not be bad either, so I brought the jig with some fish. And I just start flipping these motherfucking trees.
Guys, I'm gonna cut the camera and we'll be back. What's going on, guys? I'm here getting a little run on the Canaderos run. I'm not sure if it's a Catan or a turtle. The run slowed down already. It's gotta be. You see it? Seems like it might be a Catan, guys, because it's doing straight runs. It's not slowing down. It is slowing down slowly, right? But it's not like I don't even know, guys. We're just hoping it's a cut. I don't want to try, man. It's been like a month since David been like 2, right? We're slacking. Alright, I'll bring you guys back right now. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, we're already here out on our spot. Though it's super windy, guys. We don't know how we're gonna get back because we're with paddles and plus the wind is pushing us. So we'll see what happens. I'll check back in with you guys if this rod keeps. It looks like it's about to keep going again. Look, right? It's hard to tell, guys. It's super windy. But we'll check back in with you guys if it starts running again. Alright guys, I'm here getting a little run. And David just caught a catfish.
Little buddy.
He was checking his rod because he didn't know if it had bait or not. And then out of nowhere, he just has a catfish on it. Which is pretty lit. And fools. Like I said, I'm getting a run right now, but it stopped. Dude, I don't even know what it is no more, guys. It sucks. But David got a fish. Sorry we didn't get to record the fight. There wasn't even really a fight at all. Like, David just
kind of got dragged in.
There I go again. Oh, dude, it stopped again. It's gotta be a turtle, man. That circle hook, bro. That was on a shad also, no? Or shiner? Good stuff, son. First catfish on the boat for David. Sir. Hopefully we'll get one tonight, guys. I have a feeling by like 6, 7 p.m. it's gonna get crazy with the gar activity, but we're not sure. Hopefully, guys. Hopefully. Till then, huh?
Get us on some crazy action.
Sure. But y'all know that. Oh. Yeah. My red rod's starting to get hit now, guys. I got chicken liver on this one. Look, 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 look. It's on. Come on. Give it one more tug, buddy, and show me that you're there. Is the line moving or am I tripping?
Your line? Yeah. Our rod.
This one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on. Yes, sir. There you go, guys. Oh, no.
That's why that motherfucker hopped off.
Yes. I wonder if my fish is still even there. Is it pulling again or what? I don't know. Yeah?
I could have sworn I saw. Could have been all that line.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it. And I got no bait. Turtles. No bait. Alright guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and recast and we'll be back with you guys. Hopefully with some action. Good. David's on one, guys. It's a good one. We're listening to Shabuzi. Bar song. Tipsy. And David gets on to a big fish. It was a hell of a takedown, guys. Y'all should have seen it.
Oh.
No.
Oh, it was a bass.
One. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4.
Shut the fuck up, bro. We only had one bluegill, bro. Fuck, bro. Shit.
Come on. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell him bring another shot, dancing on the floor. Oh my good lord. That's what you just said. So I'm gonna pour me up a double shot of whiskey. You know me and Jack.
I fucked up, bro.
I just fucked up, eh?
I'm fucking mad.
Bro, don't be mad, bro. Hey, we still got like 4 hours left, bro. Dude, I can't.
We have another bluegill.
Just get another one. Just cast your fucking the thing. You kept on casting them and getting them all in the grass. Just get another one real quick. Look, I'll record you casting it too. Dave's gonna cast it off the boat. Throw a pancake though, bro. Throw a pancake, man. No, I'll put you on the spot, bro. David just lost a nice fish. Cause that nigga doesn't know how to fish. Oh my good lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. You know me and Jack Daniels got a history. Get it done, David. Don't flop, David. Don't flop. Why is that rod so heavy? It doesn't make no sense. See, there you go. David with the perfect pancake on the cast. Watch, he's gonna get the bluegill he's needed on the first cast. He's gonna get it because he's built different like that.
That or more tilapias.
Sure, buddy, sure. Oh, I'm ready. Look at that, guys. We're running. We're running. And my catfish rod's getting hit.
I get jack shit.
Huh?
I get jack shit.
No?
No.
My rod's running though, guys. Y'all saw that? Starting to get activity here on this rod.
Oh, is that a...
Oh, you got one. You got one.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
He got the bluegill, guys, that he was looking for.
Go!
He got the one he was looking for. I told you you'd get one at least, bro. There's no way you couldn't. You had to.
Hey guys, all I'm gonna say, bro, is get you a friend like Jon. Right? Fucking.
A believer.
I would have never thrown that catch net for another bluegill. Thinking I was gonna get a bluegill.
Because you were getting a lot of them way every cast all up in that grass, so you had to get another one, you know. And look, guys, they took my chicken liver, of course. You know why? Because one, here comes the two, to the three, to the four.
Yeah, make our viewers do this.
Nah, bro, they're probably laughing right now, bro. If anything, I'd hope so. What you guys think? Y'all leave a comment. Y'all think Shabuzi's funny? Good one. Here comes two, to the three, to the four. Oh no! No, our table is broken. Oh no! All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna cut the camera. Oh, I'm not gonna cut the camera. Y'all see that? It's moving, guys. It's there, whatever it is. I'm just not sure. All right, but I'm gonna cut the camera, guys, till it's a full non-run. We'll see you guys in a bit. If they were getting that cast out there, let's record the cast real quick. David with the magical cast of life. Whoa! All right, we'll cut the camera, guys. We'll be back. Alrighty, guys. David's hooked up on something, guys. I had the GoPro charging, but David's hooked up on him. David's hooked up on something good. I had the camera recording, so I wasn't recording. I wasn't able to record it right away because when it's at 50%, pero look at him. David got a nice cat. They're eating on all those fish, bro.
Yeah, they're eating on all those fish all up in here.
That's on the bluegill, guys, that y'all just saw earlier. Let's go. All the catfish are coming out now. That's a good eater too, way. It's a head of an eater. Hell yeah. No skunk today, huh?
Can't get another skunk here, bro.
Are you gonna release him or keep him?
No. You want him?
No, I'm probably gonna forget this one. There you go. Put it in. Beautiful catfish, guys. And look for these. You're edging them, David. Alrighty. We'll cut the camera, guys, and put it back to charge. But we'll be back with more action. Also, on our guard chasers, we're here getting a hell of a run. Night run, guys. You already know. I told y'all nighttime was gonna come and it was gonna pick up. I had that feeling. Come on, keep going, baby. There it goes. It's still going.
That's because I just said I saw something blow up out there.
Yep. David called it, guys.
It's not on the seat.
Huh?
It's not on the seat, by the way.
What do you mean?
It's not moving. It's not.
Oh. No pasa nada.
Nah, and surprisingly, it's not getting caught up. All mine, they get caught up. That's all.
Oh, David's going heavy too. Holy crap. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, guys. Double run. I need to put my headlamp on. I need to put my headlamp on. I need to put my headlamp on. Here. Hold this from you, wait, for 1 second. Holy crap, guys.
No wielding guard rods, guys. No wielding
The
guard
wielding.
I'll probably go for my hook set probably soon, dude. Look, he's really taking off with him.
I'll probably go for mine too then. But we're going for mouth hooks anyways, right?
Stop.
Mine stopped too. Holy shit. My adrenaline's pumping, bro. Oh, there you go, David. There you go. There you go. There goes mine. Ready? Ready? What happened? Oh, I'm on him. Yeah, I'm on him.
You're fucking real.
No, I popped out.
You're real fucked up.
I popped out. Keep going. You're still gonna be going. Fuck, wait, what happened?
You're real.
Was it?
Yeah, okay. I just heard it hit. So mine pulled out. Are you ready?
Yeah. David's about to go for his, guys. Come on. I missed mine. It was a good one too. Oh yeah. Yep. You on him?
No.
No?
Nah. I swear I had him on that first one too.
Alright, just recast me fast. Because you're out there. Fucking shit. Dude. All torn up, wait. All torn up. You still feel it?
No. Whatever yours was big.
Guys, it's all torn up. Look at it.
Oh, wait.
David's on still. Oh, nice cat. Nice cat. Nice cat. Pass the net. Let's go. Let's go.
And I still got the bait, yo.
Let's go.
Go, baby. There we go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to get mine out there fast. Wait, guys, look at this, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but this is all torn up right here, guys. All torn up on the leader.
And I don't know if y'all heard. There's chingos of blow-ups all around us.
Dude, they're coming out,
That's
bro.
what I'm saying. Hey, get your bait out quick. We'll take care of it right now.
Holy shnikes, guys. Ow, my leg is shaking. Good thing we re-upped on bait, bro. You got the scissors up there?
Nah, that's all you.
They're up here, right?
We're gonna go for our left foot.
Crap. God.
I'm scared of this catfish in here when I'm fucking barefoot.
No, don't worry. Oh, dude, I can't find the scissors. I don't know where I put them. My adrenaline is rushing, bro.
Hold on, bro. I gotta get a vid on this.
Oh, that's a nice cat.
That's a nice cat.
Ooh. Oh, dude, I can't find the scissors, man.
Here. I got you.
You're
over here rigging up over here.
I'm gonna cut him with a knife for you.
Oh, fuck. I'm about to say, I got you with scissors. You need scissors?
That's okay.
That's some quick shit. You got it?
Yeah. Good stuff, bro. There's the garter out there, bro. I just lost one, bro.
It felt like I had nothing.
Dude, oh my gosh, bro.
Fucking go. Bro.
Dude, the hook's all messed up, wait.
Go. Oh.
You see how it's torn up? Or not hooked up? The hook's not messed up.
It's all kinked. You kicked the shit out of it. It's from where you hooked him. You probably had him right in the mouth.
I had him right in the mouth, bro.
This boy, I hope to God I have him in the mouth.
Come on, don't go.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that bloody guys. You good?
He's up in net. That's a good thing.
Alright, I'm casting my bait out real quick.
Get away from me. I don't want you to. Alright, buddy. Give me a second.
Huh.
That's getting crushed.
Let's hope so.
Oh, it is, guys.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so, man. Alright, guys. David's gonna go ahead and get more bait on. Oh, he's still got that catfish to deal with. Look at that catfish, guys. Oh yeah. You good?
No,
Here, I'll get the hook out.
I'm scared being barefoot up in here.
Here, pass him. Use these pliers, man. Cause these are better because you don't have the angle.
You throw hook right there.
Ready? Where's that? Oh yeah, he did
You
choke.
can get it though. You got him?
Yeah.
Can you get that or no?
Oh nah, it's gut hooked, bro.
You wanna keep him?
We're gonna have to keep him.
Huh?
We're gonna have to keep him, bro.
Shit.
We can keep him.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll keep him, man. This is good meat anyways on him. Here, cut it. Yeah, so you can still use your leader.
No.
Yeah. We'll throw this guy on a string or something.
Here.
Yeah, it's catfish. El stringer que nos regaló el compa Nelson. Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you to Supervivencia Casa y Pesca for giving us this leader. Or this, not leader, this stringer. Hell of a stringer right here.
Throw him off on your side.
Yes, sir.
On the other side.
I can't believe I lost that Catan, way. I should let him go longer, bro, but it's because I'm not trying to keep any gar right now. I'm gonna just keep him, bro, the next one I get with, to be honest.
Fucking stud.
Here we go.
Time off to the light post.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm doing. Alright, it's good to go.
Like, that one more on that thing.
Mom, it'll be fine, man. I'm starting to go again. Look. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Picked up right again. Picked up again. Yep. You need to go weightless, bro. Go weightless. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys.
You flying, boy.
Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. We're moving. We're moving. We are moving. Moving. Look at that. Look at that.
Taking off, bro.
Taking off.
Alright, bro. You wanna move a little bit that way? So we're trying to grab the
Huh.
last.
I'll get it right now for you. Wait. Come on. Stop there, baby. Keep going.
Get you one in the boat, bro.
Come on. Keep going. I know you got it in you, baby. Keep going. I think he might be eating it right now. Alright. Should I start going for it or what?
You ready for it? Touch that, that's before. Alright, fuck that. You're good.
Alright. Should I go or what?
Well, it's what you think. If you feeling it. I'm feeling like it's a good time. You're moving kind of slow. But it's moving nice now.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go for it, wait. Ready?
Okay. Come on, boy. Big hook there, dog.
Yep, we're on.
Another one. Hit him with another one. There you go, boy. There you go, boy.
You heard that? You heard that splash?
There you go, boy.
You heard the splash?
Big dog. He's fucking big.
Oh yeah.
Come on, boy. I think we're good where we are, honestly.
Yeah, we're fine here.
I think we got him.
Cause it's shallow too. We can step in the water.
Yes, sir. Come on, boy. I'll wrangle this motherfucker if I have to. Come on. That motherfucker. So, John. Get the spotlight on. Oh, there.
No, 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 no. Oh, fuck. All right, guys, we just lost the second katan. All right.
All the more reason to get back out there.
Fuck. All right, guys.
Good shit, Wayne. That was a good fucking hookup, nigga.
You heard the splashes out there?
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty.
Whatever it was fucking
Huge. Alrighty, guys. Look what it did to my line, bro. We got all knotted up. Look.
Yeah, I saw. I was about to tell you that.
Dude.
God damn.
That was a katan, bro. A katan and a half.
Damn nice.
Then that was right on the... Dude, that was like within... Dude, I need to get my bait out there again, bro. ASAP. I need to take off this line, bro, right?
Yeah.
Hold this. This reel was cracking me, I think. I don't even know. It's just freaky, bro.
Freaky shit.
Yeah. I should have brought the Tundra out here, bro. That Tundra's never failed me, man. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna fix this, guys. I'm gonna try to be fast with it. I'm gonna cut the camera because we don't have a lot of battery on the camera. You guys see the action's heavy, guys, so we want to record something good for y'all. We'll be back right now. What's going on, guys? You're getting another run already. We're getting another run already on the Canaleros rod, and David's getting a run on his Mojo. It's another double run, guys. The action's heavy right now. The action is heavy. Oh, dude, look at him running. Look at him running. Look at him running, guys. Oh. Oh, baby. Baby, baby, don't stop. Oh, oh, baby.
Come on now, John. Come on now, John.
Oh, I said, oh, baby. Say I love you. You're my everything. Oh, come on, Garisha, let's go. Babe, I love you. You're my everything. Buy me fast car. I'll buy you a wedding ring. Come on. I don't know the song, guys. I'm sorry. Keep going, baby. Keep going. That's the first pause. It's all good. There we go. There we go. She's still there. She's still there. She's still there. There we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Should I get ready for it or what? Alright guys. Y'all wish me luck down in the comments with this catch. Hopefully we get them. Which way they're running? Put the line, can you tell? Here, here, check with this one. Which way can you tell?
Straight out. Probably to the left.
Ready?
What I can see. Smoke.
Are you good, Wayne?
You're good. You're good.
Nah. Did I hit the light or what?
You hit me and the light.
I'm sorry, Wayne. Dude. Oh, no. Wrong.
That was the craziest bend I've seen, bro. And then the craziest fucking. You had him, huh?
I had him.
You had
Dude,
him.
that was like a 5 or a 6, bro.
Oh, fuck, bro. If y'all could have seen what happened.
Baby just got smacked in the face by the
All
rock.
I'm saying is that John had him, and then he didn't have him, and I saw it with my own eyes. I caught that shit.
I'm sorry.
Again,
I'm sorry. Hey, right now when we sit,
never sit.
straight up. I'm gonna do straight up. Dude, but it's because you saw which way it was running. It was going up this way.
That's because your line was pointing that way.
Dude, alright, dude, we only have one more tilapia left, dude.
But look, bro, I got 2 out, bro. One's probably gotten taken, bro.
Should I throw the cup bait or throw the tilapia? Cup bait. Dude, that was a katan and a half, bro. Look at all the line that it took out, Wayne. Oh my gosh, guys. 3 more tooth marks.
My forehead, right?
Yeah, you're pretty having a bump, Wayne. I'm sorry, bro. That shit came back and whacked you in the motherfucker.
Little rod, guys. Sturdy.
David has first-hand experience with that motherfucker. This is what we're gonna put on for bait, guys. Hopefully, it'll get hit. Nice piece of cut bait. Shad.
Took a lot of line.
Dude, it took a lot, Wayne. Dude, that motherfucker was going up to the dock, Wayne. He was gonna go land us up there.
I'm gonna go take him back, bro. Good shit.
I think the bait came off.
Did it? It did.
I don't know, I'll check it. Just in case it did. Nah, it's there, right? It's all good. There's gotta be safe way, I don't know. Be out there with no bait, bro. Like a silly Billy. There you go. Come on. Alright, guys. Hopefully we can bring another run.
We'll be back again.
Yes, sir. What's going on, guys? David, he's getting a badass run. It's a sick ass run.
Yeah, he's taking off.
Super nice run. Taking off, y'all. So hopefully he's able to land them. Y'all seen I've already missed 3 katan. David missed 1. It's kind of shine right. Alright. Move your arm down a bit. Okay, check it. You're at 45 right there.
Okay.
Sure.
They took it off wherever it was.
David's getting another run, guys. Speaking of another run, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Big run, big run. Here.
Whatever
Don't
it
put
is,
it on
mine,
you.
it's small. You got a big ass piece of tail.
Alright, stop, stop. Hold this for 1 second. You gotta run your hands around it. You gonna hold it?
Mine.
Huh?
Mine's about to start running. Oh, you just stopped. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. This is a cut piece of shad, guys. Cut piece of shad. Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna put it on the chest mount, bro. Oh yeah, he's going with it, bro. I'm gonna put you guys on the chest mount already. It's 3 times. Come on, baby. Keep on going. Say it with me. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. There you go. Chant work, guys. The chant work. What do you think? Should I go for it? I mean, it's just cut shad at the end of the day. Yeah?
Come on, man.
You
I
wrong?
missed him.
You missed him?
Yeah, I missed it. I bounced that hook there.
Mine's going. Still. I might get ready to go for it right now. One more good run and I'm gonna go for it. You ready? That good let out. There you go. Alright.
Ain't a better time to sit.
No! Fucking pulled out! Dude, he was still in his mouth. I guess he wasn't holding it all the way or something. Oh, it's been like that. That's how I crimped it down. Had to make sure she was secured. But alright. I'm gonna cut the camera, guys, get the new bait out there, and we'll be back with another run, hopefully. What's going on, dart chasers? We're here getting another run. This is the last run of the night because it's already 9:15. And we got a bait too. Last piece of bait, last everything. Let's hope the dear Lord blesses us with this gar. I'm gonna let him go for a while, guys, till I'm like almost out of line, I think. Just because it's a big tilapia, and pues they keep getting hooked in the mouth. And I'm gonna low-key try to get a deeper hook set so I can secure them for sure.
sir. Trying to secure this guy, man.
Time at
1:45 or 1:35.
okay, that's cool. We had to switch over to the phone. The GoPro died. It's all good. What was the GoPro's time at? Like 2:30?
Yeah, like 2.5 minutes.
There you go. We'll have to go for it soon. I'm already running low on mine.
Yep.
Put it to the middle one. Another one? Yeah. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yep. Oh yeah. He's on them, boys. Yeah.
He's swimming in. He's swimming in.
He's swimming in.
Hard.
Come on.
Yeah, he's swimming in. I'm still on him.
Still got him. Come on. Come on. As soon as he gets near the shallow, he's gonna pull away though. Just be ready for it.
What is that? No.
That's your bait, no? Oh, fuck. He was just peeling back the bait.
We'll be back next week, boys. Alright. Well, as y'all saw, we got no more bait. That was the last run that I was talking about, but it's all good because we'll be back next week. We're going to be more prepared with bait, and now that we know what's going on here, we're for sure going to get onto it next week. Y'all stay tuned because there's a lot of action to be made. Anything you got to say, David?
Nah, I mean, we'll be back. Should have had a couple on the boat today, but as long as we'll pull a couple next week.
Most definitely.
Banger ass video for y'all.
Because we already got the hang of everything, so
Oh yeah.
we'll get it done. Sorry about the iPhone footage too, guys. The GoPro completely died. You got to think about it. We've been out here for 12 hours, so it's gonna die. You know what I mean? And I tried to keep it charged as long as I could, but puede. Y el que no, no. But like I said, we'll be back next week. We're gonna start pedaling back. We got a little journey to go.
A little walk ahead of us.
We're not gonna be able to record it because of the GoPro. So yeah, this is the outro, guys. We'll see y'all.
Till next week.
Till next week.